We all understand the importance of drinking enough water in theory, but in actuality, a lot of individuals still struggle with knowing how much to drink and whether they are getting enough or not. When you don't drink enough water and your body goes without, whether you are in a dehydration state or not, you end up causing damage to your body. This is especially true if you are an avid workout enthusiast and aren't getting enough water before and after your workouts. Here are 5 things that happen to your body when you don't get enough H2O. 1. You end up losing water and not fat. This particularly pertains to those who are working out and don't drink water while they are exercising. When your body is lacking water, it can burn the fat cells properly, so your body ends up shedding the water and not the fat. 2. Toxins remain inside your body. When you sweat, your body is able to get rid of toxins that have built up over time. If you don't have enough water, you won't be able to sweat very well, which means that toxins will stay inside your body. This goes the same for flushing out toxins that are being held within your organs. 3. Muscle pain. You will end up experiencing muscle pain for longer because your body won't be able to properly heal up the muscle injury. Your muscles need protein, carbohydrates, and water to properly heal up. 4. You put more pressure on your heart. When you don't get enough water, your blood will actually get thicker and your blood vessels will constrict. This causes your heart to work harder because it has to push thicker blood through narrowed vessels. This can cause you to experience high blood pressure, shortness of breath, and even tachycardia. 5. You will actually eat more. It is very easy to confuse thirst for hunger. Whenever you feel hungry, drink a glass or 2 of water first and see how it sits. If you are still hungry afterwards, get a snack. Other than the above, if you aren't getting enough water, your concentration will decrease and you will feel more fatigued. You will swell up as your body tries to retain the little water that it has, and your workout effectiveness will decrease as your body won't be able to burn fat or grow muscle as easily. Finally, if you don't have enough water while working out, you will contribute to skin aging as the flow of blood that is enriched with oxygen will increase collagen production. You need water to help the blood circulate properly. So, if you don't think you are getting enough water, grab a water bottle or a dedicated water glass and make it into a habit.